this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can set a trailing stop loss in MT5 or MT4, right? So the first thing you want to do is ensure that you set a stop loss for your current position. And the chart, you're going to right click the position and then select modify if you don't have an existing stop loss, right? So you're going to enter your initial stop loss and then select modify, right? I already have a stop loss, so in my case that's fine, right? Now you're going to right click again. Now you're going to right click on this position again, or the trade. Then here you're going to select trailing stop. Now here you have the option to select the trailing points that you need. So if the chart move 10 points in your direction, then the stop loss is going to move 10 points, right? You can also select custom and specify a trailing stop loss. And that's basically it. You're just basically setting the number of points you want the position to move once the market is moving in your direction. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.